Hey guys, Lincoln with Reformed Mac here. Today we're going to be talking about duplicates and replicants. As you see here, we have our sample database pulled up that we created in a previous video, and it is loaded with several files, and we'll start digging into those now. We have the bottommost smart group selected here, the duplicates smart group. You can see all the files listed here. DEVONthink places a double rectangle symbol next to those. You can see it right next to the date modified column that lets you know that DEVONthink believes that this is a duplicate. However, you do still want to check some of these. DEVONthink doesn't just place one-for-one exact matches here. It also places files that are very similar. So from time to time, there will be documents in there that you don't want to get rid of. DEVONthink just believes, because of the similar content, that they are duplicates. So you need to keep an eye on that and make sure you're not getting rid of files that you don't want to. Now, there's a couple ways to handle duplicates. One, you could just leave them in place. The downside to that is your database may be larger than it needs to be. Two, you could delete all the duplicates. However, that may not be the best way to find your data and to handle it. The third option would be to create replicants. A replicant is just like an alias in Mac OS. It points to the original file, but it also allows you to keep another copy of that file in a place where it's also appropriate to have that. So let's briefly go over a few ways to create replicants. The first thing, you could do it on a file by file basis by clicking on the document, right clicking or double clicking, and then replicate to, and then it gives you the options of where to place that replicant. Another option to do it, especially if you have a lot of files, would be to use a script. Now, DEVONthink has a script that allows you to quickly do this with multiple files. However, it is not installed by default. So the first thing we need to do is click on the script button at the top of your toolbar, go to more scripts, and once this loads up, if you go to the third page, you'll see the option for dupes to replicants. Install that, and now we're just going to select all of our duplicates, go to the script folder, data, dupes to replicants, and there we go. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our page if you want to see more DEVONthink tutorials.